Need to ditch that old Mastercard from your Google Play account? Here's how to do it in under 2 minutes. First, open the Google Play Store app on your Android device. You'll want to tap on your profile icon. This is usually found in the top right corner of the screen. In the menu that pops up, look for and tap on Payments and Subscriptions. This section houses all your payment-related settings. Now, select Payment Methods. This is where you'll see all the cards and payment options linked to your Google account for Play Store purchases. You'll see your Mastercard listed here. To remove it, tap on the Mastercard you wish to remove. This will take you to the card's details page. On this card details screen, scroll down until you see a Remove Payment Method option. It's usually a button or a text link at the bottom. Tap on Remove Payment Method. You'll likely see a confirmation prompt asking if you're sure you want to remove the card. Confirm your choice to proceed. And that's it. Your Mastercard has now been successfully removed from your Google Play account. You can revisit this section anytime to add or manage other payment methods.